Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. Thought of the day. Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Now you have to take risk in your life. If you want to do something, of course you have to take risk. If you'll win, that is bonus point for you. You can be a leader, you can lead, right? If you win, you can lead. But if you lose, right, if you fail, then also it doesn't matter. If you fail, that is also a learning lesson for your life, right? If you fail, if you lose, you can guide other people that don't do this or don't do that, right? So for that, what we need to do, we need to take a risk in our life. Okay, students? Today in this session of English, we are going to practice worksheet, right? What we are going to do, we are going to do the practice of worksheet of both the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. As we have completed the chapter, so let's start with the additional activities or additional practice of the chapter. Okay, first we'll start with chapter number 1. Okay, now this textbook, in your textbook, this things are given, right? So it's extra practice for us, right? Now first we'll start with identify me. I have been moving in endless circle. Now I have been moving in endless circle. It means sometimes it's here, sometimes it moves to other place, sometimes it moves to other place, and again sometimes it moves to other place. So what it is? It is rain. Answer will be rain. Now I leap from stone cliff. Now I leap from stone cliff. Stone cliff means stones, large stones, right? It moves from that. So that is waterfall. Okay, students. Now next, I went through broad golden valleys. Now, what moves from broad golden valleys? What? River. Very good. River moves from broad valleys. I rise into the air. I disappear. Means I rise into the air, right? In the form of evaporation. But then I disappear. I am mist. I am a mist. Now next, I blind the sky with lightning. Now when it's about to rain, you can observe thunder and lightning, right? So I blind the sky with lightning. So what blind the sky with lightning? Storm. Now next, I am countless droplets of rain. I am countless droplets of rain. Because of this droplets, what appear in sky? Rainbow. So the answer will be rainbow. Okay, students. Now students, our next question is, we have to pick out adjective from the following stanza. I have given 2 stanza. From this stanza, what we will do, we will pick out the adjective. Now you know that what are adjectives, right? Adjectives are describing words, right? When we describe something in color, shape, size, then that is describing word, right? That is what? Describing word. Now I went through broad. Now broad is a describing word. You are describing something, right? So broad will be what? Adjective. Then golden valleys. Now golden is your describing the valleys, right? With color, that is golden. So that will be also what? Adjective. Joined by streams, joined by creeks, I grow ever wider. Now wider is also what, students? Adjectives. Now next, Broader and deeper. Once we have already written broad, right? So no need to write broader. That is also adjective, but we have already written broad, right? And deeper. Students, deeper also describe the river or describe the lake or something, right? So this is what? This is also adjective, that is deeper. Okay. Now we will come to next stanza. Drawn upward by warm sunlight. Now drawn upward by warm sunlight. Now how we are describing sunlight, students? Warm. So warm will be what? Your adjective. Then in white silver veils. Now white and silver both are color. So you are describing the water with color, right? So what we will write? White and silver. I rose into air and I disappeared. Right? So this is what? These are adjective in this stanza. Right? You have to pick out the adjective from the stanza, and we have done this. We have already done adjectives in grammar. Right? Okay, students. Now we are going to do something interesting. I'll give you one poem. You have to identify of what we are talking about. Isn't it interesting? Yes, it's very interesting. So let's start. Question number 3. As I told you, it's very interesting poem riddles, puzzles kind of. Okay. Now I have a streets but no pavements. Streets without pavements. Now I have a cities but no buildings. City without buildings. Now, I have a forest but no trees. I have a forest but I have no trees. I have a river yet no water. What I am? Now, where you can get all these things? Without pavement, city without building, street without pavement, city without building, forest without tree, and rivers without water. Where you can get this? Think about it. Yes, you can get this in map. In map, maps are of two types, physical map and political map. So in that map you can see the cities, forest and many things. But without water, without trees, without buildings. Yes or no? Right? So the answer is map. Now next. I am black child of a white father. Black child of a white father. Is it possible? Okay. Now, a wingless bird. Wingless bird. Bird having no wings. Then how can that fly? Okay. Flying even to the clouds of heaven. Without wings, flying to heaven. How is it possible? What it is? Now, I give tears to people who meet me. I am dissolved into air. What I am. I get dissolved into air. Now, very interesting. White father. It means clouds. Our clouds are white. Right? So, white father. Black sun. Black child. It means what? Air pollution. Smoke. Right? Smoke is a wingless bird. Yes or no? It can fly to heaven. So what will be the answer? And it dissolve into air. So our answer is smoke. Okay. Now next. I have a mouth. I don't eat. Okay. I have a bank but no money. Think about it. I have a bed, but I don't sleep. I have arms, but I have no hands. Who am I? Now, I have a mouth, but I don't I don't eat. Now, if we take example of river, right? River has a mouth, right? River has a mouth. in front of river, if we are sitting in front of river, you will get the noise, right? एक आवाज आएगी, right? So it has mouth, but I don't eat. Now I have a bank. Have you heard about river bank? Right? So I have a bank, but no money. I have a river bed, right? But I don't sleep. I have arms. Even river has arms, but no hands. So that is what answer is river. Okay, students. Now, students, next is who said to whom? Who said these words to whom? Okay, first one. Tell him it is time he should rest. Now, when they were planning for the retirement of Perry, right? The company manager told this to Jacques, right? That tell him that it's her time to take rest. So, who said to him whom? Manager to Jacques. Okay. Now, I couldn't help it. Now, who said this word, students? I couldn't help it. Now, when he met with the accident, when Perry met with the accident, the truck driver said these words to people in their surrounding, right? So, who said this? Truck driver. To whom? To people. Okay. Now next. Didn't you know he was blind? Now, didn't you know he was blind? Was said by whom? Was said by doctor ambulance to manager. Or to employees, you can say. Ambulance doctor to manager. Okay, ambulance doctor to manager. Now next, take today off, Perry. Now who said this word to whom? When his horse died, when Perry's horse died, right? At that time, Jacques told him to take off today, right? So who told this word? This word was spoken by Jacques to Perry. Now, as one grows, leg gets tired. Now, who said this? Perry said these words to Jacques. Okay, students. So, today we have done till question number 4. In next session, we will continue with some extra question answers of both the chapters. Okay, till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe, bye bye, and take care of yourself.